बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी चैप्टर नंबर 8 केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट ईयर के शॉर्ट आंसर्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, जस्टिफाई दैट केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम इज डायनेमिक इन नेचर। अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ mass action at the stage of chemical equilibrium, the rate of forward reaction is exactly equal to the rate of backward reaction, which means that the two opposing processes are taking place at same rate. Such equilibrium is called dynamic equilibrium. Question number 2 है, according to law of mass action, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to product of molar concentration of reactant. Question number 3 है, what are reversible reaction? A chemical reaction which can take place both in forward and reverse direction is called reversible reaction. In these reaction, after some time, a state of chemical equilibrium is achieved, at which rate of forward and backward reactions become equal. State Le Chatelier's principle. Question number 5 है, justify that equilibrium constant may or may not have any unit. Question number 6 है, for the given reaction the value of Ke is 5. What will be its Kp value at 0 degree Celsius? Describe Ke expression for the given equation. What are the unit of Kc for given reaction? Question number 9 है, what are the optimum conditions for formation of NH3 by Haber's process? Following are the optimum conditions for the formation of NH3 by Haber's process: by continual withdrawal of ammonia after interval to shift the equilibrium to forward direction, increase pressure to decrease the volume of reaction vessels because high pressure will shift the equilibrium position to right to give more product, decreasing the temperature will shift it to forward direction according to Le Chatelier's principle. Question number 10 है, the reaction is not affected by change in presence. Why? Question number 11 है, how change in concentration of reactant or product affect the position of equilibrium. Question number 12, how does a catalyst increase the rate of reaction? Question number 13, give formula of percentage ionization of an acid. Question number 14 है, what is Lowry's Bronsted idea of acid and bases? Question number 15, define common ion effect with an example. Question number 16, how can you purify NaCl by common ion effect? Question number 17, write K expression of Ag2CrO4. Question number 18, why the Kw of H2O increase with increase of temperature? Write Henderson's equation for an acidic buffer. What is the buffer solution? Question number 21, what is buffer capacity? Question number 22, define solubility product. Question number 23, what is the ionic product of water? Question number 24, write some applications of buffer solution. Question number 25, change of volume disturb the equilibrium position for some gaseous reactions but not the equilibrium constant. The change in temperature disturb both the equilibrium position and the equilibrium constant of a reaction. Question number 27, the solubility of glucose in water is increased by increasing the temperature. Question number 28, the sum of pKa and pKb be always equal to 14 at all temperatures? Explain. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।